back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all must be doing safe outside and enjoying your life. And if anyone came to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am always repeatedly saying that please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you people are not subscribing to my channel. So as you guessed from the title, that today we are going to talk about my most favorite lip balm, and also we will going to discuss that why lip balm is taking a vital role in our skincare. So basically guys, lip balm is a must. Like if you want to follow a good skincare routine, then don't skip your lip balm, because keeping your lips hydrated is the most important thing. There is no certain rule for applying lip balm, but if you want to stay your lips so hydrated and protected from any moisture outside, then just reapply frequently whenever you are feeling that your lips is drying. One more thing, whenever you are going to apply any lip gloss, any lipstick or whatever in your lips, just do apply your lip balm on your choices. Don't skip lip balm at any account guys, because अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपके लिप्स लाइक एक अच्छा सा स्मूथ एंड बाहर की जो पोल्यूशंस मॉइस्चर से आपकी लिप्स प्रोटेक्टेड हो, तो नेवर फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई आ लिप बाम. एंड देयर इज नो सर्टेन रूल एज आई टोल्ड बिफोर. एंड ऑल्सो लिप स्क्रब्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. लाइक इफ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट जस्ट परचेसिंग अ लिप स्क्रब फ्रॉम एनी ब्रांड इज एनफ, नो. If you don't want to invest your money on a lip scrub, then you just go for your DIY. Like lip scrub mein the main ingredients is the honey. So you can use honey and sugar from your home, and you can use. I am not saying that lip scrub is not necessary for you. Yes, lip scrub is necessary. But if you don't want to invest your money on a lip scrub, then I will highly recommend you guys to go for DIY. Like honey and sugar is enough for your lips. Like leave it for 15 minutes, and after that just gently wash your lips, and you are okay with it. No need to buy a heavy fancy kind of lip scrub. Yes, I do use lip scrub, but ऐसा नहीं, like आप जो भी लिप स्क्रब है ना, उसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स अगर आप चेक करोगे तो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स इज हनी, व्हिच इज इजीली अवेलेबल एट योर होम. एंड लिप स्क्रब को लेके इतना ज़्यादा लाइक चूजी होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइक ऐसा ही एक ब्रांडेड सा या फिर कुछ, मैं बेयर बडी ऑफिशियल की यूज़ करती हूँ, एसेंशियल बेयर बडी एसेंशियल की लिप बाम में यूज़ करती हूँ. दैट इज़ गुड, नॉट लाइक दैट. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ कुछ वाव है. अगर आप घर में हनी और शुगर को मिला के उसको लिप्स में लगाओगे, 15 मिनट्स रख लोगे एंड उसके बाद उसको वॉश कर लोगे, same as the any lip scrub available on market. So no need to go for any lip scrub and all, but you need a lip scrub. Okay, so in a week you have to do lip scrub for once in a week. You have to scrub your lips once in a week for sure. And okay, one more thing guys, I want to clear in this video. Whatever the product I am going to show you, or whatever the products I am giving my review here, is just after my trial. Like I won't going to review those products which I have not used yet. हाँ, आप बोलोगे कि हाँ एक okay, if you asking me that how is that wow anti acne serum, or how is that Mamaearth age correcting serum, okay, I have not tried them to be honest. Okay, why I will suggest you just because the rating is 4.5, 4.2? No, I am not going to do that, because if I have not tried a product, or if I have not used any kind of thing which you are asking me, I am not going to suggest them. I am going to tell you about those things which I am personally satisfied with that product, or may not be satisfied. It's not like that I will be satisfied from every product, but I am going to review only product, or I am going to show you those products which I have used. And one more thing, if you are asking me anything, if I have not used them, then how I will say after review, right? So अगर रिव्यू को देख के मैं यहाँ पे बोल दूँगी ना कि ये अच्छा है तो रिव्यूज आते हैं. Why are you watching me here? Why are you wasting your mobile data here? Right? So yeah, whatever the product I have used in my life, I will going to show you, or I will going to suggest you them. Or if they are not that good, I will also mention that. Okay, so if you are expecting that just because a product review is good and I am going to suggest you, no. If I will try that, I will definitely going to suggest you. One more thing guys, मैं हमेशा बोल चुकी हूँ अपनी वीडियो में, सबको सब चीज़ सूट नहीं करते हैं. इस बात को आपको माइंडसेट करना चाहिए. अगर मैं किसी रिव्यू में बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए अच्छी नहीं है, तो दैट डजंट मीन कि ये आपके लिए अच्छे नहीं होंगे। मैं कुछ इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम्स मुझे मिले थे जब मैं गुड वाइब्स की रिव्यू बोल रही थी। मैंने बताया नहीं था वीडियो में, बट मुझे लगा कि हाँ आई विल एलाबोरेट हियर। लाइक मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि चलो गुड वाइब्स के टोनर्स हमारे ऊपर लाइक कुछ रिएक्शंस हो गया उनका एंड आप बोलो कि अच्छे। मैंने बताया था आपको कि मुझे मॉइस्चराइजर गुड वाइब्स के अच्छे नहीं लगे थे बिकॉज मुझे उनका टेक्सचर मेरे स्किन को सूट नहीं किया था, बट मॉइस्चराइजर बाकी लोगों के लिए सूट कर रहा है, राइट? अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ओके, टोनर्स गुड वाइब के मेरे ऊपर अच्छे काम दे रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सबके लिए काम करे। एंड आई ऑलवेज मेंशन दैट स्किन टाइप वैरीज गर्ल्स, and if you are thinking that I just spoke good things about a product, that doesn't mean everyone is going to satisfy. No. अगर मेरी रिव्यूज को देख के आप एक मास्क फेस मास्क ले रहे हो एंड वो आपको लाइक आपको स्किन को वो सूटेबल नहीं है, मैं उसके लिए लाइक मैं ही जिम्मेदार हूँ क्या? नहीं, तो मेरे ऊपर फेस मास्क गुड वाइब्स के अच्छे लगे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपके ऊपर भी अच्छे लगे। कि स्किन टाइप वैरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, एज आई टोल्ड बिफोर, लाइक I have told this line 100 times before. Like, okay, so the first lip balm which I have from my most favorite lip balm collection is this Nykaa lip balm, and the lip balm looks like this. Like, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है अभी, as you can see, but this is a must-have lip balm from Nykaa. Like I can tell you guys, the smell and the texture is just wow, and this is unisex. Like जो बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ like boys हमारे कंसेस होते हैं लड़कियों के प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के लिए, हाँ वो अच्छे होंगे नहीं होंगे whatever, something like that. But this one is just best for both. Like my Jiju is using this one particularly, and this one is the dark like chocolate flavor. Okay, lip balm में भी वेरिएंट्स होते हैं as you know, right? बट ये सब कुछ यहाँ से चला गया है बिकॉज ये मेरा सेकेंड बॉटल है नायका से लिप बाम, एंड द लिप बाम इज जस्ट बेस्ट गाइस। लाइक नायका की लिपस्टिक अगर आपको कुछ ऊपर नीचे लगता है तो आई एक्सेप्ट दैट, बट दिस वन इज जस्ट लाइक मोर देन वाओ। लाइक आई जस्ट लव दिस वन पर्टिकुलरली फ्रॉम नायका, एंड देयर स्मेल जस्ट स्पॉइल मी, एंड फॉर विंटर दिस इज द बेस्ट लिप बाम। लाइक ज़्यादा ऑयली टेक्सचर नहीं है, ज़्यादा मैट फिनिश, लाइक ज़्यादा ड्राइंग भी नहीं है। इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग दिस बिफोर योर लिपस्टिक और इन विंटर नाइट, देन गर्ल्स यू विल गोना लव दिस। लाइक दिस इज अ मस्ट हैव। लाइक माय सिस्टर, मी एंड माय जीजू just obsessed over this particular one, and this is a recommendation from my viewers and subscribers. Just girls, go for this one, Nykaa lip balm. Okay, now let's talk about the second lip balm, which is quite affordable and not for the price but not that fancy. This is the Khadi Natural Herbal Lip Balm, Khadi Kiwi Fruit, and the lip balm looks like this. Okay, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें अभी. Like the fruit smell is there. Like whenever you apply the lip balm, like if you are fruit lover, just go for this one. As I am not a fruit lover, still I am saying that this just best. टीके पहले लगा लो या फिर रात में लगा लो, not that drying, and this one will stays leaves for 2 to 3 hours easily, which is the best part about it. But after eating your lunch or breakfast or dinner, it is going to vanish out, which is a little bit disappointed for you all. This one is a highly recommended for all if you want an affordable lip balm for you, as well as if you are a fruit lover, just grab it guys. Okay, but this one is the most recommended, like whatever the lip balm I have, they are just most recommended one and also the best ones. Now let's move to the third lip balm which I have, and the lip balm which I am obsessed with, and you guessed it right, this is none other than Laneige lip sleeping mask. You have seen this in my Nykaa haul, in my Instagram, IGTV, YouTube videos, so no need to talk more about this one particularly. But if you have not used it yet, girls, just give it a try. And इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलूँ, like क्या Laneige lip sleeping mask. Okay, why this one is on trend? Because of their formula. Like एक लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क पहले हम लोग नहीं जानते थे, राइट? एक लिप बाम जानते थे, वैसलीन जानते थे, लिप ग्लॉस, लिपस्टिक, बट लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क. ओके, why they written your lip sleeping mask? Actually because whenever we applied any kind of lip balm in our night or before going to sleep, in the morning we can't like feel them, or we can say that they just vanished out from our lips. Okay, but they are still on our lips in the morning, and I personally feel that whenever I am going to wash my face after waking up, I just feel that no lip balm is there on my lips, and I feel that creamy texture or that moisture, like moisturizedness. I felt that. And girls, if you have not tried it, I know this is little bit pricey, like 500 rupees, and according to a lip balm, this is pricey. And बट हाँ, मुझे लगता है ना, जब मैं इसको लगाने के बाद लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ तो मुझे अच्छी फिनिश नहीं आती। मुझे लगता है कि कोई थिक सा, लाइक मोर देन लाइक लेस देन थिक वाला लिप बाम ही लिपस्टिक के लिए अच्छा है, बट लिपस्टिक लगाने से पहले इसको मत लगाओ। आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइस दैट। I don't know about others, maybe their lips is adjustable with this one particularly, but I have not adjusted to it yet. So I avoid to use this one before my lipstick or lip gloss. But for night time, this one is best. Or winter, this one is best. Or if you are someone who does not want to use lipstick, or if you are not a lipstick person, go for it. Now it's time for the second last lip balm which I have is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. Just mild and okay kind of lip balm. And before going to apply your lipstick, this is the best lip balm I can say. And as you know, Biotic products are just at their best level. But if you will apply this before your lipstick, just amazing. And also, if you are going to apply it on your lips in a daytime, then after 2 hours you have to reapply this one, like something like that. So, and अगर आप घर पे हो तो फ्री ही हो, like whenever you'll feel that your lips is drying, just reapply it और क्या. So yeah, I just love this one. Biotic तो भाई उसको भाई कितना ट्रेंडिंग और कितना ज़्यादा like trustable brand बना दिया सबने. So I don't think I have to say much more about this one. So yeah, this one is not most recommendable one, but not a disappointed one. So yes, now it's time for the last lip balm, but not the least, because this one is none other than the Vaseline Skin Protecting Jelly Original Lip Balm. Okay, lip balm में क्या हो, जो भी है Vaseline, जो कुछ भी लगा लो, इससे अच्छा no. If you will ask me Laneige or Vaseline, I will go for Laneige one. But Vaseline is as always, भाई बचपन से हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं था कि हाँ चलो लिप ग्लॉस से पहले कुछ लिप बाम लगाना पड़ता है. लिप बाम में भी इतने ज़्यादा वेरिएंट्स थे. We all have used this one on our childhood as much as I know. नहीं, अभी इस जनरेशन के बच्चों ही भाई, वो लोग तो अभी से Laneige यूज करें. We are not talking about this generation's kids, okay? We are talking about our generation. So we all have used in our childhood days, and as you know, Vaseline is a multi-purpose thing for everyone outside. Or okay, let me tell you one thing here, guys. Whenever I removed my nail paints from my nails in night, I just use this one. Like I just use Vaseline in my like after removing the nail paints before going to sleep. I just apply Vaseline on my nails because I feel that somehow my nails are drying on night. So I just apply them. Like you can say these are the hacks of Vaseline or like uses of Vaseline. Like बोलते ना कि uses क्या क्या होते हैं. So and I don't think Vaseline के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा explanation देने पड़ेगी. Everyone knows that, right? दिन में या रात में लगाने के लिए this is the best. But before going to apply lipstick, avoid this one. Like घर पे हो, बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, नॉर्मली खा पी के मोबाइल देख के या फिर सीरीज देख के घर पे एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो this one is best. But if you are going to outside and you are applying lipstick, avoid this one. Use the lip balm, not Vaseline. And every moms outside must have used this. So this one is the best. Like lip balm की collections and lip balm की बात तो हो रही है तो Vaseline now, so video is incomplete for me. So yeah, this one is the must have. Like ये must have, okay, हम लोग childhood से use करें, right? So must have कुछ भी नहीं है. So hey guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you people like this video and you have enjoyed my talks as well in this particular one. My lip balms are just best. Just go and try them. And one more thing, I won't recommend anything after seeing the review, which is like I don't like those kind of reviews, okay? Because कुछ भी reviews देख के कुछ भी लोगों को बता देना is not good. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I will also suggest here that go for Linny's and Nykaa lip balm from today's video. You will never gonna regret over that. And for affordable, go for Vaseline and Khadi as well. And Biotic is just okay kind of thing, or mixing of affordable or costly. So it's up to you that what you are going to purchase after watching this video. And as always, I told before, whatever you are watching in my videos or any YouTubers, influencer everywhere, just add to cart them. When you will get a good offer, just go and order that one. And also, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comment section below that which lip balm you all are using and which lip balm you like the most from my lip balm collections. And also subscribe to my channel, and please share this video as much as you can, guys. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe.
Get down.